Hi, welcome back to Keto Bistro. So today I want to talk about carb cycling.
So, carb cycling is an advanced nutrition system mostly used by pro athletes where they vary low carb days and higher carb days. It has a lot of benefits, including losing fat faster. Hello. Hello, Brenna. Where are you at?
Olive Garden.
So, Olive Garden may not be the healthiest choice for carbs, but I wanted to add in some pasta, and chicken scampi is one of my favorite things there.
I lost about 30 pounds, minus some ounces. So I wanted to go off for about a week.
So, I wanted to look at four other benefits of carb cycling other than just quick fat loss. Is the first one, it prevents a decline in your metabolic rate. So, carb cycling is excellent in helping ensure that your body has extensive ability to break down and utilize the calories that you're taking in. The second one is that it gives you more energy and prevents fatigue. So if you're feeling a little fatigued, adding a few carbs will help balance your energy. Number three is excellent for workout recovery and maximizing your lean muscles. It helps to increase your muscles as it stimulates the glycogen formation, which feeds the muscles during your workout. And insulin works to prevent the breakdown of your muscle protein. So if you're feeling a little bit weaker, carb cycling may help with this, especially if you've increased your physical activity or you've added weight to your program. And then the fourth one helps with a emotional or mental state of guilt. So on high carb days, be sensible. However, if you choose to have a cheat day or cheat meal, then don't feel guilty about it. This would be your carb cycling day. Just make sure that you are restricting your calories during these times because that really is what will add to your weight loss.
I'm hoping I don't have to go back through the keto flu now that I'm going back on. But I will let you know. Thanks for watching.